Welcome back to my vlogs. Happy New Year for me. I hope you've had a lovely 2025. I am slowly thinking of returning back to filming. It was such a shame that I stopped when I did because I was actually really enjoying making videos and I was on a roll and I had the intentions of not stopping for the rest of the year. But so many things happen in my personal life and also in my professional life that I haven't discussed here.
So let's catch up. Grab a drink, get cozy, since this will be a long video, and if you're drawing along, let me know what you're working on. I will be working on this portfolio piece I started with my agent at the end of July, before my life got upside down. It was a brief she made for me to target the type of work I'd love to get in the future based on preserving nature and leading a sustainable life. It was supposed to be a video I shared with you the same month, but unexpectedly my partner needed emergency surgery and everything was put on hold. Afterwards, I got bronchitis, and at the same time one of our cats got stung by a wasp and had a severe allergic reaction that we fortunately saw in time. But something about that period, and also all of us feeling ill, really changed my outlook for life. And we decided that we needed a change. So after spending 2 months recovering from illness, the rest of the year was spent packing and planning an international move with all of our belongings and our 2 cats. Everything went well despite the very stressful flight, and we got to our new home. 2025 was a really intense year. There was a lot of bad things happening, but personally, a ton of great things too. I met new friends, I went to the Bologna Children's Book Fair, something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. And another reason why I have been gone from YouTube for so long has also been the fact that I got signed to my dream agency. Despite the great news, working in traditional publishing limits even more my ability to share with you my professional work. So to combat that, I will be making portfolio pieces every month and picking a topic that you are most interested in to talk about, alongside a small surprise I have for you later on in the video. To thank all of you for your ongoing support and for watching my videos despite me not uploading them for 6 months, commenting, asking when I'll be back. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and to say thank you, I made a newsletter. It's called Picture Book Field Notes, and it will be a themed bi-weekly article in your inbox with all the tips, advice, and motivation I have had to discover on my own regarding the children's book industry. In the meantime, that doesn't mean that I will stop uploading videos. From now on, I will just be shifting my channel to be geared towards the making of my own book. If you don't know, I am currently making my own graphic novel. I have been sending my book dummy to everyone I know. A lot of the people have gotten back to me with the feedback. I am very close to starting the final colors and final renderings of all of the pages. So I hope it's something that you are looking forward to. I am really looking forward to sharing it with you. It's very similar to the process of how I make my children's books. I think you can still find advice that would be helpful in your situation as well. With that said, I am really happy to be back. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you in the comments. It's been a while, so if you would like to share, you can tell me what you have been up to in the past few months since I've been gone. I will either catch you in my newsletter or in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me even though I was gone for so long, and I'll see you soon.